Welcome. If you're tired of seeing Instagram likes notifications popping up on your phone's lock screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to turn off those notifications once and for all, so you can enjoy a distraction-free lock screen. First, start by opening your phone's Settings app. This is where you control all the important permissions and notifications for your apps. Next, scroll down and tap on the Apps section. Here, you'll find a list of all the apps installed on your device. Find and select Instagram from that list. This will open the app-specific settings where you can customize how Instagram behaves on your phone. Now, tap on Notifications. This section lets you manage all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you. Look for the Likes category under Instagram Notifications. This is where Instagram groups notifications related to likes on your posts. Tap on Likes, and you'll see options for how these notifications appear. To stop them from showing up on your lock screen, tap on Lock Screen. Finally, choose Don't Show Notification. This setting will prevent Instagram likes notifications from appearing on your lock screen, giving you a cleaner and less distracting experience. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully turned off Instagram likes notifications on your lock screen. Now, you can check your phone without those constant pop-ups interrupting you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for watching.